Okay, so I've got a LiPo battery here that's had a wire pull out, or break actually. So I'm going to go ahead and do the repair. First off, I'm going to start by pulling out the broken wire here. You can see it right here. I'm going to pull that out before I reattach the new wire. So go ahead and tin my iron. There you go, just like that. And tin the new wire. Almost forgot the flux. Now remember, whenever you're working with LiPos, to always keep a fire extinguisher close at hand. I got one right here on the ground next to me. There you go, flux that up. Tin just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and reapply some flux here and also here at the soldering point. Tin my iron one more time, and I'm actually going to turn this up. Iron up just a little bit. I've got it at 650 now. I'm going to go up to 700. Okay. This is the tricky part. These balancing wires are a little stiff. There you go, just like that. It's completely embedded and surrounded. And then carefully take your alcohol, and I use a toothbrush, get rid of any of the flux there. You can actually see on this yellow wire, it was pushing up against the battery tab and it started to melt it right here. So what I'm going to do, make sure the alcohol's all dry. I've got some liquid tape. This is actually a max amp battery, and you can see they've done it already. So I'm going to take a little bit of my liquid tape on a toothpick. And first of all, I'm going to stick it right in here where that was damaged. Just going to hit this with my heat gun real quick. And then I'll also apply it on this battery tab itself. just like so. Heat gun one more time. Now I'm going to take a little piece of packing tape. Actually, I'm going to give this a few minutes to this liquid tape to set up a little more. And we're back. So this is set up now. It's firmed up. I'll go ahead and take this piece of packing tape. Make sure those wires are down and in there. And stick it over just like so. The reason for the packing tape is that it doesn't stretch. If you did this with electrical tape, obviously it's going to stretch and not do what you want it to do. Now, take a few pieces of electrical tape and go over that. You don't really want to stretch this, you just want to lay it over kind of the same way you did the packing tape. And I cut this again not so it doesn't stretch out. So there we go. Just like that. Now I've already cut some shrink tubing. Okay, so I've got my shrink tubing here. Go ahead and get that put on. Make sure it's nice and centered up. Get my heat gun, low heat. So there's the first layer. And this one we're going to have to slim just a little bit. Okay, I've gone ahead and notched that out there. Make room for the wires. And this time I went ahead and did it on high. Go ahead and push those down. And there you have it. There's a repaired battery.